spare. Enjoying stable salaries and incomes, you know the next step is to increase value of them. After all, inflation, low savings interest in banks, and the turbulence of commodities will devalue your money against your will all the time. Also, in order to tackle some industry boom and bust circles, you can't just rely on incomes from your position or your companies as everything. Investment? Bingo! Gold, stock, bond, digital currencies, real estate, artworks, luxury goods. You have multiple options. The magic of investment is like you can sow a seed for now, then you will harvest a tree. But it is an art that makes your wealth portfolio. Even the top rich or wealth managers are not able to make the best decisions sometimes. But all investments follow one simple principle. Buy at a low price, sell at a high price. Maybe let's put one more advice from Warren Buffett. Don't buy anything that you don't know. You may arrange some wealth to professional teams, no problem if you are not interested in complicated stock market. Investing in real estate, doing some part-time housing flippings, or being Airbnb hosts are also popular among some people. Again, buy at a low price, sell at a high price. Yep. You had better figure out how price goes in market at first. This step is like a bury of some food, water, and other supplies on your boat. They will save your life, emergency, and in danger. You also can spare part of your goods on a new island. What that means? Keep watching, you will know very soon. Survive in a turbulent weather and climate. Since becoming rich is a long journey, it's very normal if you encounter typhoon, hurricane, or other natural disasters that you, as an individual, can't predict and control at all. Yep, in money world, they are economical and financial crisis. Believe it or not, the fastest way to kill off billionaires is aid. A financial crisis may like dominoes. Once it cracks, other related ones will follow unstoppably. Unemployment, crazy commodities prices, increasing oil prices, bear stock market, burst real estate bubble. Almost everything about money can be affected negatively. So once it comes, discerning what part of your wealth can be safe, keep as much safe as you can.